much better. What's up, Internet? Tonight we're going to take first looks at Debian 12. Of course, it's still on the virtual machine. We're going to do most of these on the virtual machine. It's easy. I don't have much bare metal here yet. So let's get the old machine started up. May look a little different. I've been messing around, not on video, but yeah. Here's the machine. Go ahead and hit start. See what happens. So after the last video, shut the machine down. Didn't even get through the initial setup of the UI. So log in. Hopefully remember our password. And here it is. So first things I kind of want to do are get through this initial setup, which Gnome. So weird word to say. Gnome is a funny Windows manager. I really don't use it much. It's a little heavy on the resources, if you ask me, and I kind of just don't like it. I never really have. It's never really been one of my top picks. In fact, I tell people not to actually use Gnome because wait. So we're going to get through this initial setup, and then I'm going to get my face out of here. And we're going to take a look around. Can I please start using it? Okay, so the biggest thing we need to do is change this resolution because it's not digging it. So I'm going to go full screen with the hotkeys. For VirtualBox, it's right Control F. And of course it'll yell as we'll just hit switch. Okay, there we go. So that's the first step. Second step is figure out where in Gnome the monitor settings are. And search it. There we go. Displays, they call it. And change this resolution here. 1920 by 1080, please. There we go. Okay, much better. We're going to keep them changes. And now I'm going to get my face out of here. And we're going to go to town. So, here's W12. Okay. There's this activities thing which you want you to use for everything. I really don't like it. How did the music get up again? It's strange it keeps doing that. Interesting. Maybe I'm scrolling, or I don't know. Either which way. 2 desktops by default, and that's mostly all Windows managers that aren't just like black box or open box. So stock, we have default installed
Firefox.
ESR stands for Extended Service Release. Of course, it wants us to set up. I don't want to. I don't want to import stuff from previous browser. Skip, please. Thank you. Okay. Yes, privacy notice, blah, blah, blah. So, there's Firefox with Gnome. You get on the YouTubes, the Facebook. Works like any other browser on any other computer. Computer. Computer data. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, so there's the browser, Firefox. we can install other browsers and check out how to install. I'm not sure. I think I have how to install Chrome on Debian 10, but still same. Let's see. So Gnome is pretty bloated also. So there's games. We can play chess. Okay. Against the computer and probably lose. Because, well, it's a computer. And I'm just messing around. Because I think it's cool to play against the computer. Anyway. That I really don't like we have to hit activities for everything. There's so many click, click, clacks. Pop this screen up, pop that screen up. It's really just not liking it. However, for a first-time user, it may be fairly convenient. So you might want, don't know, not me. Anyway, let's click this software and updates. Okay, so it lets you change some of the sources stuff. Okay. Interesting. Alright. There's a file browser. Looks like, you know, it's a little more bubbly than Windows, but it's basically the same, right? You got your documents, your downloads, music, pictures, videos, all the things. So that's, you know, it's always good to be able to get to your files. In Windows, you can tab it. Convenient if you're moving stuff around. What else? I believe there's already, yes, the LibreOffice package is already installed. So you can do some spreadsheets, you can do some drawing, you can impress. I guess that's, I'm not sure what that one is. Let's do the Start Center. There we go. Yeah, presentations. It's like PowerPoint. And math formulas. Interesting. So I use Calc sometimes. It's pretty similar to Excel. Any spreadsheet application is fairly similar. Look, you're running. Do you want to learn what's new? Sure. No. Yeah, you can do spreadsheets. So when you right click on the desktop, we have display settings, and change background. Convenient. Up here we have some interesting things. Volume, network, nightlight, I'm not sure what that is. Power mode, and theme, dark mode, light mode. Interesting, because I already thought it was dark mode to begin with, but okay. We can lock the screen, configuration. Oh, we can take a screenshot. That's convenient, actually. Nice. And of course, we can power down the system. This activities is really, it's really irking me. Let's open up the system monitor. Check out what task manager looks like in Gnome. The graphs are pretty. Yeah. File system use. You see the 32 gigabytes is plenty for Debian with Gnome to start. I mean, 25 gigs still left. And the processes, which seem like a lot, but if you open up Task Manager in Windows, you're going to see just as many, if not more. What else can we check out? Oh, see, I'll demonstrate the dual desktop here. See, so we can open up, you know, why. It's just an example, but you can open up the file manager here, resize it a little bit, and then bam, there's another new desktop. So you use one, it opens another one, so you can start another. It keeps things separated. I don't know. I use sometimes. Yeah. Switch. I believe there's hotkeys to switch. I don't use them enough to know. And 10 minutes. Music, nibbles. There's many games already pre-installed, which some might like that. Here you go, users and groups, which is interesting. A nice little graphical user interface for. I'm used to command lining everything. Terminal, that is. Oh, there we go. We can open a terminal, which you can't do by right click, which irks me. There we go, terminal. However we used to. I wonder if we go into dark mode if we change that. Nope. So yeah, that's pretty much first looks. It's ugly. I don't like Gnome. I don't like it. So one more thing, since we're gonna log out, since we installed the my favorite graphical user Windows manager. See if I can figure out how to change it. Ah, can't. So anyway, that'll have to be another video because we just can't get to it. So no LXDE for me. For now, power off. Shut down in 60 seconds. I don't like when you log out, it changes this display, but that's okay too. $30 seconds. Interesting. I could just hit the power off button. I like the time. So, first looks, I don't like the Gnome. However, the operating system is great. So, in the usability section, I'm going to figure out how to get my favorite Windows manager to work. LXDE, I believe I have to change the what was it? The display manager. So many names for things sometimes my brain doesn't work. But yeah, until then, thanks for watching.